Hello peeps, James the Epic here again, and today we are going to be talking about the origins of sounds used in the MSagent frontier. Anyways, let's begin.
I'm blue,
This sound was mainly used in MSagent randomness whenever Dr. Mike dances. The original song was of course Blue, the Body, by Eiffel 65. This sound was used as Alexandros Spinidis' show sound. The original sound comes from the Thorny MI video logo from 1981. And now, 3 sounds that were all used for Berkeley. All these sounds served as Berkeley show sound. These sounds include RTL Club 2017 Ident, Pool TV 2014 Ident, and Polsat 2006 Ident. 2 of these sounds come from Hungary, while the last sound comes from Poland. And that's all I have for now. Make sure to comment if I missed a sound that you wanted to be in this video. Anyways, thanks for watching. And as always, peace out.